Hi guys, it's Katie. I have my meal plan for Meal Plan Monday. It's late Sunday night. Hopefully I can get to the grocery store tomorrow on Monday, and hopefully all this goes through. There's a few things, hopefully I can find good produce, because there's a few things that are produce dependent, but I think I should be able to manage this. So Monday we're gonna have a grain bowl, and this one I made a couple weeks ago, and it was really good. It was a hit with everybody, so I'm gonna do this one again. I kind of just picked certain elements that I liked that I thought would go well together, and it was a really good combination, so I'm going to try to film this one. But I'm calling it Curried Cauliflower Grain Bowl, but it's roasted cauliflower and roasted broccoli. There's some caramelized red onions, some toasted pumpkin seeds, quinoa as a base, and then I'm going to try to get some baby spinach or maybe some like spring mix or something to put in the bottom, and then it has an orange cumin vinaigrette. Anyway, like I said, I'm going to try to film it because it was a really great combination, very filling, and we liked all of the components, and then all the components together were really good. So Tuesday is going to be Sloppy Joe's. I actually made Sloppy Joe mix from the ball canning book, and we really like it. So this should be super duper easy. Just brown up some meat, put that sauce, and simmer it down. We usually have that, you know, over bread, and then some frozen corn on the side, so this is going to be a quick meal. Wednesday, I got some chickens from the farm, so I have roast chicken. I'll probably just roast some potatoes while it's in the oven, and then some kind of vegetable, depending on what looks good at the grocery store. And then I'm going to take whatever's left over from that chicken, and if I need to, I'll dice up an extra chicken breast, and I'll make chicken fried rice the next day. Friday, we're going to have steamed Old Bay shrimp, potato salad, and a vegetable. Our grocery store will steam it and season it, so I just, maybe I'll even ask my husband to bring it home when he comes home from work. And then I'll have homemade potato salad and then some kind of vegetable, or maybe just a salad to go with that, to round that meal out. And then Saturday, I'm going to make potato soup and salad. This I have on my channel. It's a dairy-free. It's made with cashews, and it's really good. And my husband says it's as good as you know, with dairy, and he's not shy to tell me that. Like, he'll tell me if something is better with dairy, which it's almost always better with dairy, and I don't blame him for saying that. But this one, he says it's just as good, and he loves it the way that I make it. So I'll link that recipe down below. And then Sunday, we're gonna try a second try for a ham dinner, because we were supposed to have that today, but I just kept forgetting to pull the ham out of the freezer. So I'll make sure like Thursday or Friday to pull that out of the freezer so we can go ahead and have that ham, because I still have, I think, 3 more hams in the freezer. So anyway, might as well use them up, especially since we don't usually have ham here at home for Easter, which I guess is pretty traditional, so we can have them anytime. Alright, so that is my meal plan. As far as prep, I'm going to make buns for the Sloppy Joes, mayo later in the week to make the potato salad. I'm going to pre-cook the rice so that it's ready to go for the fried rice, and then soak the cashews the day before to make the potato soup. I got my grocery list. I need to go to Costco for some staple items. But anyway, if you enjoyed this, I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel if you like meal plans. I'm doing a meal plan every Monday, and I have them all in a playlist. So I'll link that down below so you can see what I've already done this year, and then subscribe so you can see what I'm going to do for the rest of the year. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!